One. Hi, Brian M. Hazel here. And so I was challenged to answer, how could I be in the trucking business full time, drive a truck, have other trucks on the road, and at the same time still do business loans? So here's my thing for guys that are gals that are in trucks. This is what I would do. This is absolutely what I did down to detail. I first got a gym with the first name Planet, and I got a black card from them, which allowed me to visit them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So anywhere along my route, what I would do is I would pull the truck into said shopping center, because typically it's a large parking lot, because it's accessible to semi trucks. A lot of them had larger anchor stores. So I'd pull up out front, go in, work out, have a shower, come back out, order DoorDash, something healthy, and just keep going. So, and let me clarify that. When I say keep going, that could be if I needed to rest, to get up early, then that was going to be the end of my day. But I always made sure that I ended my day with at least a workout and, of course, shower. So same thing now. I do the same thing minus the trucking. I go to the gym still 7 days a week. I work, go to the gym, come back, work again. I think that works for me, okay? And I can just be in continuum of that. So in just answering that question, that is how I've been able to do it. Thank you.